Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important lecture. In this video, I am telling you classification of colloids based on interaction of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Colloids can be classified as number 1 lyophilic colloid, number 2 lyophobic colloid. So look here, classification of colloids based on interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. So first is lyophilic colloids and other is second is lyophobic colloid. The word number 1, the word lyophilic means solvent loving, liquid loving. The word lyophilic. First I am telling you about lyophilic. The word lyophilic means liquid loving colloids. Substance which form colloidal solution with warm with suitable solvent. Substance which form colloidal solution on warming with suitable solvent like water is called lyophilic colloid. These are reversible in nature. Example of lyophilic colloids are protein, starch, gum glue, gum glue. After this, lyophobic colloids. The word lyophobic. So first I am telling you lyophilic colloid. Look here. The word lyophilic. Lyophilic means, the word lyophilic means liquid loving colloids. Okay. The word lyophilic means liquid loving colloids. Substance which form colloidal solution. Second point, we can also write they form colloidal solution. They form colloidal solution on warming with suitable solvent. Suitable solvent like water. Like water are called lyophilic colloids. Examples are, for example, protein, starch, glue, gum. Okay. Third point, they are reversible in nature. They are reversible in nature. Reversible in nature. They are reversible in nature. Okay, students. Now I am telling you lyophobic colloid. The word lyophobic means liquid hating, solvent hating colloid. They do not form colloidal solution on warming with suitable solvent. Okay. Example, metal, they are sulfide and hydroxide. They are irreversible in nature. So look here, lyophilic. Number 1, the word lyophobic, lyophobic. The word lyophobic means liquid hating or solvent hating colloids. Liquid hating or solvent hating colloids. After this, they do not form colloidal solution. They do not form colloidal solution. They do not form colloidal solution. They do not form colloidal solution on warming with suitable solvent. On warming with suitable on warming with suitable solvent like water. After this next point, example. For example example are metal and their oxide, sulfide, hydroxide. So for example is metal. Metal is copper, silver, gold, and metal hydroxide is iron hydroxide, ferric hydroxide, arsenic sulfide, H2O3. These are irreversible in nature. Point number 3. Point number 3. These are irreversible in nature. Okay student, I am telling you last time. Lyophilic colloid, the word lyophilic means liquid loving colloid. They form colloidal solution on warming with suitable solvent like water. For example, protein, starch, glue, gum. They are reversible in nature. Next is lyophobic. The word lyophobic means liquid hating colloid. They do not form colloidal solution on warming with suitable solvent. For example, metal, they are oxide, hydroxide, sulfide. Copper, silver, gold, ferric hydroxide, arsenic oxide. Next, these are irreversible in nature. Student, I hope that you can understand all the point in this lecture. So like this lecture, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends.